Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I am Colombo. Have you ever wanted to create your own website but felt overwhelmed by learning to code? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to quickly build a website, making it easy for you to get started in the AI era. Traditionally, building a website requires learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which can be time-consuming. ChatGPT can automatically generate the necessary code, explain each section's functionality, and fix errors quickly. This means you don't have to start from scratch. Simply chat with ChatGPT to effortlessly create a professional website. Let's see it in action. Suppose we need a web page with a top navigation bar, main content area, and footer. I enter this request into ChatGPT, and it generates the HTML and CSS code for me. I copy this code into a local index.html file and open it in my browser to preview the website. If we need adjustments like adding a 2-column layout, I just ask ChatGPT and it provides the updated code and suggestions instantly. After building your website, you need a platform to publish it. Neocities is a super easy hosting platform perfect for this. Sign up for a free account at neocities.org and you get your own domain like username.neocities.org. Use the upload feature to upload your index.html and other files. Once uploaded, your website goes live immediately. Neocities also offers an online editor for quick changes, making website management straightforward without complex deployment. In summary, with ChatGPT and Neocities, you don't need deep programming knowledge to create and publish your website quickly. Give it a try now. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might need it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.